Hi guys, welcome back to the shop. And today I have a little tutorial for you. If you remember well, a couple of videos ago, I used this body for my True Oil tutorial. This body was left to dry for a couple of weeks, and now it's time to buff the finish out. What you will need, a couple of things. Some 4-0 steel wool, any sort of rubbing compound, and to finish up, some wax. Okay, so let's start. The first step is to take off this shine that we have, and that's why the steel wool comes in place. By doing so, even you're leveling the finish out. Okay, as you can see, most of the shine is off. There's still some spots. So now we clean a bit from the steel wool dust. Now the next step is to buff out the surface with a rubbing compound. In this case, I'm using an automotive finish compound. It is the G10 from Farecla. You'll find all the link to these products down below. And what I like to do is get a rag. I like to rub by hand at this step. True oil is not, it's very easily to dig into the wood using like an adapter with the drill, like a buffing pad with a drill. That's why I like to buff out by hand. And another thing what I like to do with this product is to put some water, not much, just a couple of sprays. And then you just rub it. until it gets dry, and then get a nice clean cloth and you wipe everything out. Okay guys, so next step is to polish out the finish with the wax. Again, I'm using just a normal automotive wax. This is from Turtle Wax. And at this point, I usually use a buffing pad on a drill, but just for the wax. And that's it guys. It has a nice shine. The surface is leveled and smooth. Yeah, I'm really happy with that. So thank you guys for watching. That was my process for buffing out, in this case, through all finish. I hope guys you enjoyed this tutorial and liked it, and I hope you learned something from it. Like, subscribe if you're into this nice tutorials, and I see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.